This cordless worklight is part of Makita's 18-volt LXT range, and a must-have when working in low light conditions. There is nothing worse than trying to work in poor lighting, but with this light you can have up to 48 hours of light on a single battery. It's compact and very light at under 1 kg, so it's portable and easy to use in any situation. Click it once and all 12 LEDs light up at 240 lumen. Click it again and only 6 LEDs light up to 120 lumen. The light construction resembles a drill, so it's very comfortable, and has a thumb switch to control the bank of 12 powerful LEDs. It's also very adjustable with 14 positive stops in total, so you can adjust it to almost any angle. It even has a built-in hook that rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can hang it anywhere. And if that isn't enough, there's another hook on a tether for even more usability. It forms part of Makita's LXT range, where all the 18-volt batteries are compatible and interchangeable throughout the range. Check out the LXT battery and charger clip to find out more. Overall, a really awesome worklight for any situation. This is just one of the worklights available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.